Hello, 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 hello. Oof, oof. We got V. We got V. Listen. If you guys don't know, if you followed me long enough, that V from BTS, Taehyung, Mr. Taehyung, just released Love Me Again. Oh my god. If you didn't know, V is my bias from BTS. It always has been. Well, in the very beginning, I think it was Jungkook in the beginning. He was just, I don't know, and then it just landed on V. Jim is also my bias record, but I love them all. OT7, let's go. I even have, I don't know if you can see it. There's a V cardboard cutout that it was gifted to me, and I love every minute of it. I would love to have more though. I kind of call this my my Tae section. It's Taehyung and Taehyung. I do want Taemin. There's a lot of Taes that are badass. That's all. Right now we're talking about V, Taehyung. I don't know. He has such a nice, unique voice, a very sultry voice, a very deep voice, very deep. Love Me Again. I'm expecting it to be very R&B, hopefully, and jazzy. Hopefully, I don't know. I actually don't know. It could be EDM. I don't know. We will never know until I actually press play, which we should do. But without further ado, let's go. If you hear Hawaiian music in the background, that's what I like to play in the background. What? Oh my god, that fooled me. Bruh. I'm not, he didn't even, did he say words? I don't know. He just, whoa. I'm already affected like this. That's why he my bias. 3, 2. Oh, it's like karaoke. You better stop. You better. I would never. You can keep all your members. That's it? I'll let you know. Woo. Yes, V. That's exactly what I wanted. Oof. Let me take a moment. Oh my good girl. Ooh. His voice really do affect me sometimes. Girl, you gonna go on a ride. It's a roller coaster, bitch. Oh my god, there's just some voices that really affect me, and you're one of them. All right, let's go. Oh my god, your earrings. I might get a piercing now. I'm not leaving. What are you talking about? You want my like full heart? He looks so good. Oh, I'm messed with this heavy already. This is exactly what I wanted from a V solo. Woo! Outfits. That's a cave. I wonder if that's the same. I don't know what cave that is actually. But this is fire. Bro, I think that was the first time he stared at the camera, and it really affected me. Like, it made me stunned. Girl, with the light, girl, the muscles. I'm sorry, we're not even supposed to be even talking about the muscles. We're talking about, but goddamn, Popeye, goddamn, Dragon Ball Z, Goku, Trunks, jeez, damn. Woo. Hey! Oh, I would love to hear this live. That would be my dream. That would be my dream to hear this live. Could I hear this live? Like in front of me, not like through a video. Did I moan? I love how it's filmed. Super old, artsy. I wonder what the outfit's inspired by. Maybe it's just, he's Golden Boy. Gold Dust. You know what I'm talking about? Like that wrestler. That's what the outfit reminds me of. Like, oh, just one of those. I kind of just want to feel up on that shirt. What? Woo! I like the volume up. Woo! Oh, I would love to hear this at like a festival. Just be in my feels, cry in the public. Love me again. Hey, hey, hey. I wish you could love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again. Again. Ooh, I just want more, bro. Oh, he just left? Like that? Love me again. We always love you. We gonna love you to the end. What you mean? Wait, hold up. Let me hear the beginning. Since the beginning. That 3, 2, 1. Like very karaoke, old school. That volume of, I don't know if you guys remember that, the green. I would love. Oh my god. That beginning is just perfect to me. It has like the teasing. It's close to his face and his eyes in the music video, but audio wise, if I blast this in the dark, you know, in my feelings. Oh wait. I think. Woo. Oh, so good. Hey. How I wish to be a mic. What? Ooh, with the drums kicking. This man right here. Let me know. Ooh. Hey. 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 Can I hit that one more time? Wait. Oh, then when he goes deeper. Pause? I don't know. You know what I'm talking about, his voice. This part. Lost. Woo! Ooh, with the drums and the kickback. Ooh, I love that the setting is in a cave, all gold shimmering. Again. I can't do it. I feel like I never felt like I was starving. Obviously I was always starving for like more music, but just like every song that's been coming out is just very filling. All right, y'all, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. This is V. This is Taehyung. Yo, hold up, man. Say something to the people.
Asparagus squee. Asparagus roasted.
Anyways, till next time, everybody, peace out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.